Ever wondered how scientists study the human brain? It's a realm of breathtaking complexity, a labyrinthine structure housing billions of neurons. Each neuron, a universe in itself, communicating, interacting, creating the symphony we call consciousness. Among these numerous parts, the cerebellum stands out. It's our internal maestro, controlling motor skills, balance, and even our ability to articulate words. It's a critical part of our neurobiological orchestra, but it presents a fascinating challenge to science. But how do scientists study this intricate part of our brain? Enter the cerebellum model, a groundbreaking development in neuroscience. This journey began as a spark of an idea among the brilliant minds at USC stem cell, a concept that would revolutionize our understanding of the brain. The scientists there embarked on a mission to create a model that would mimic the major cell types of the cerebellum, a critical part of our brain involved in motor control and cognitive functions. They focused particularly on replicating functional Purkinje cells, the neurons that form the only output of all motor coordination in the cerebellar cortex. It was a challenging endeavor, as these cells have a complex structure and a unique way of firing electrical signals. But the team persevered, using cutting-edge techniques and a lot of intellectual grit. And then, the moment of triumph arrived. For the first time ever, Purkinje cells with human-like features were successfully grown, marking a pivotal moment in the field of neuroscience. This is the first time that Purkinje cells with human-like features have been grown. But why is this model so significant, you may wonder? Well, the cerebellum model is a game-changer in the field of neuroscience. It's like having a miniature, functioning piece of the brain in a lab. Imagine the possibilities. This model is a major leap in brain modeling. For the first time, scientists have been able to grow Purkinje cells with human-like features. These cells are key players in the cerebellum, so having them in a model gives us a much better understanding of how this part of the brain works. But that's not all. The cerebellum model also opens up new avenues for studying cerebellar development and disorders. This could lead to breakthroughs in understanding and treating conditions that affect this area of the brain. And there's more. The organoids in the model generated human-specific progenitor cells. These cells are linked to medulloblastoma, a type of childhood brain tumor. This means that the cerebellum model could potentially help in the development of new treatments for this devastating disease. So you see, the significance of this model is far-reaching. This model offers a platform for studying and developing treatments for various diseases. So let's delve deeper into the future of brain research in the next scene. So, what does this mean for the future of brain research? Well, let's delve into that. The development of the cerebellum model by the scientists at USC Stem Cell is a game-changer. It's like having a detailed map to an unexplored territory. It opens up a world of possibilities for better understanding of the cerebellum, the part of our brain that plays a vital role in motor control, and is also involved in cognitive functions such as attention and language. This model is not just a biological curiosity, it's a powerful tool, a microscope of sorts, that allows us to see the inner workings of the cerebellum in a way we never could before. It's like watching the gears of a clockwork, seeing how each part moves and interacts with the others. The implications of this breakthrough are far-reaching. It could revolutionize our understanding of cerebellar disorders such as ataxia and dysmetria, conditions that affect balance and coordination. By studying these disorders in the model, we could gain insights that lead to the development of novel treatments. Moreover, the cerebellum model could also shed light on the development of medulloblastoma, a childhood brain tumor. This could potentially lead to new strategies for preventing or treating this devastating disease. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of this development is that it's just the beginning. As we continue to refine and expand on this model, who knows what other secrets of the brain we might uncover. Indeed, the creation of the cerebellum model marks a significant milestone in neuroscience, paving the way for exciting discoveries in the future.